Hi there! In this video, you will learn about apps reporting and getting alerts in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Monitoring unusual app usage in Google Workspace is essential for ensuring data security, compliance, and operational efficiency. Suspicious activities like allowing less secure apps or excessive data transfers can indicate security threats, making real-time monitoring crucial. Manually reviewing Google Workspace apps reports can be time-consuming and ineffective due to data collection delays. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation solution to get alerts for Google Workspace apps and monitor unusual activities effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Get Alerts for Unusual Apps Usage template and click on it. In the Get Alerts for Unusual Apps Usage page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Get Alerts for Unusual Apps Usage will display. In the Recurring Time screen, in Start Time, select the future time when to start app usage reporting and get alerts. Click If Action from the rule graph. Change the value of sent email count condition to update the email sent threshold as per your requirement. Click Email from the rule graph. In Subject, customize the app's reporting and alert notification subject. In the email body, customize the content to include relevant apps usage information. At the bottom of the page, click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the process of generating unusual apps reports and sending alerts in Google Workspace. Note: for demonstration purposes, please set the start time field in the recurring times triggered to 15 minutes from now. Go back to xFanatical Foresight. Wait until the configured trigger time. You will receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Additionally, you will receive an email in your Gmail inbox with the information added to the email body during the rule setup. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.